The strategies rich people use to multiply their wealth include investing in stocks and bonds, focusing on earning, developing multiple streams of income, controlling multiple assets, tapping into leveraged investing, ensuring high velocity of money, seeking infinite returns, making strategic investments, having an entrepreneurial mindset, and engaging in continuous learning and self-improvement. So in this video, we are going to discuss about 5 strategies rich people use to multiply their wealth. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Understanding wealth multiplication. Building wealth isn't just a privilege for the already rich, it's a possibility for everyone. The key lies in understanding and implementing strategies that have proven effective for wealth multiplication. Typically associated with the affluent, these strategies can be scaled and adapted to suit different financial starting points and goals. This wealth-building approach empowers individuals from all backgrounds to take control of their financial futures and pave their way toward financial freedom and stability through planned and executed growth strategies for their investments. Strategy 1. Investing in stocks and bonds. Investments in stocks and bonds form the cornerstone of most wealth-building strategies. The power of the stock market lies in its ability to offer returns that can significantly outpace inflation over the long term. For those just starting, the journey begins with understanding the stock market basics, the different types of stocks and bonds, and the importance of financial statement analysis. To reap the full rewards of investing in the stock market, it is essential to start early and invest regularly. This is because of the power of compound interest, which allows your investments to grow exponentially over time. When you invest early, you have more time for your money to grow, and even small contributions can make a big difference in the long run. For example, let's say you invest $100 per month in a stock market index fund that averages a 7% annual return. After 20 years, your investment will be worth over $50,000. If you wait until you are 30 to start investing, you will need to invest over $200 per month to reach the same goal. Finally, it is important to be patient and disciplined when investing in the stock market. There will be times when the market is down, but it is important to stay the course and not sell your investments in a panic. Over the long term, the stock market will always recover, and you will be glad you held on to your investments. Here are some additional tips for investing in the stock market. Do your research before you invest. This means understanding the risks and rewards of different investments and choosing investments that are appropriate for your financial goals and risk tolerance. Set realistic goals for your investments. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Investing in the stock market is a long-term game. Be patient. The stock market is volatile, and there will be times when your investments lose value. Don't panic and sell your investments. Just stay the course, and you will eventually be rewarded. Strategy 2. Real estate investments. Real estate investment is a great way to build wealth, as it can provide both steady rental income and capital appreciation. However, it's important to understand the real estate market and the factors that influence property values before you invest. One of the most important factors to consider is location. Properties in desirable areas with strong rental demand tend to appreciate in value over time. Other factors to consider include the condition of the property, the size of the property, and the amenities it offers. Once you've chosen a property to invest in, it's important to manage it well. This includes keeping the property in good condition, collecting rent on time, and dealing with tenant issues promptly. By managing your property well, you can maximize your return on investment and build wealth over time. Real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before you invest. By understanding the real estate market and the factors that influence property values, you can make informed decisions that will help you achieve your financial goals. The location of your real estate investments plays a critical role in their success. Focus on areas with strong growth potential or established markets with stable rental demand. These decisions can significantly impact the profitability of your real estate investments. Real estate in the right location can grow and multiply your net worth over the long term. Strategy 3. Mastering diversification. Diversification is about not putting all your eggs in one basket. A well-diversified investment portfolio includes different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. This strategy helps to mitigate risk, as other asset classes often react differently to the same economic events. Regularly reviewing and rebalancing your portfolio is also crucial. As market conditions change, so should your investment approach. This ensures that your portfolio aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. It takes smart, concentrated risks to acquire wealth most of the time, but it takes diversification to keep it safe long-term. Strategy 4. The entrepreneurial path to wealth. Entrepreneurship is a path chosen by many wealthy individuals. It involves identifying a niche market or a sector you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. The following steps include planning and executing your business idea, emphasizing risk management and adaptation as your business grows. A solid business plan is the foundation of successful entrepreneurship. This plan should encompass strategies for growth, financial management, and risk mitigation, including diversifying income streams to protect against market fluctuations. Businesses you own and build can have compounded growth like investments and multiply your wealth. Strategy 5. Savvy tax planning and legal structures. Effective tax planning and the utilization of legal structures are crucial for protecting and growing wealth. These strategies involve legal methods to minimize tax liabilities and safeguard assets. Staying informed about tax laws and regulations is essential, as these can change and impact your financial planning. Consulting with tax advisors and legal consultants is highly recommended. These professionals can provide personalized advice tailored to your financial situation, helping you make informed decisions about tax planning and asset protection. Taxes are the biggest expense for the wealthy. Learning how to optimize for your tax liabilities through the tax code can help protect and grow your wealth by lessening the tax drain on your capital. Building wealth is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to continuous learning. These strategies, effective in multiplying wealth for the rich, are equally applicable to those starting from scratch. Understanding and applying these principles allows you to set a path toward financial independence, regardless of your current financial situation. The road to building wealth is long, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's a journey worth embarking on. Embarking on the journey of wealth creation is a process that intertwines patience, strategic planning, and an eagerness to adapt and learn. This article has shown you the various methodologies the affluent adopt to amplify their financial resources, emphasizing that these methods are accessible and applicable to anyone. From prudent investments in diverse markets to the wise counsel of tax and legal professionals, the path to wealth is layered with opportunities for growth, innovation, and risk management. Cultivating a mindset geared towards learning, adapting, and staying informed is critical to building and sustaining wealth over time. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.